Yo, danger. Yo, Andrew Blacks. Bad bros. Them don't know about the wildlife. Them don't know about the wild side. Pull up on them black with the Glock and everything I breeze in at them head side. Them I got dead from them make the done half a wake up. Everything shake up like an earthquake. Them I get landslide. Everybody know the bomb them me provide. That me fling them and not my gun. Tell them so me do this just for fun. Them can I run. Them skin I get burn up on the rise of my gun squeeze up the trigger finger till me finger numb up. Tell them say me nah stop crabbing. Yo dog man fully corrupt. And you better know the war part me a stir up. Them vision get blurry. Tell them a dirt. Them a 11 burp. Left them on the earth. Left them face on a fucking t-shirt. Read them killer from blood clot bird. From a dirt then a dirt. Tell them so my feelings can't hurt me don't got any. Tell them the gun them me a send it. Overseas me I get them plenty. And the spin barrel dog never empty. Ready fi go kill them. I'm a willing dog. Me is a villain dog. Don't act silly big millie. Papa Willie. Tell them see a wildlife till the day me die. Tell them to me smoke on the weed fi get I get by brain fly from a boy this eye. Tell them the chopper create a cream pie with the head top. Tell them I kill me friend you have to date back. Copper I go that in a head back. And you better know so you have to die infrared on your forehead. Bullet I go marry to your skin when me squeeze up the fire in pin on my gun. Bullet then cannot done out of the pan belly clip it a spit. Just like a pregnant bitch. And you better know me not switch. Tell them they get catch like a fire switch, ayy. Them better see this MP at the blood clot. Realist gunshot in her skin, them I go feel that. And the doctor can't blood clot heal that. When me rise up, my gun boy skin off the bone catch a fire. Watch your pussy will start run. Tell them so they host me a bun down. Tell them so me a kill till God come. Real evil dog, wildlife people love to kill people dog. For no reason dog, but we have a reason dog. Cause a wildlife killing season dog. Yo, steady I'm ready fi go kill them with the carbon. Tell them the 357 nah stick. Tell them say me kill them a hot chick. Them I get disappeared just like a magic. Tell them operate like surgery, no fucking mercy. Yo, do this thing like Percy, Hannah Jackson. And if you ask me, may I pull up on them like a taxi. In or the vaccine gunshot attack them. Tell them said bullet I go shot them like a lightning when they fucking strike them. Yo, it annoy them when me point and aim. Squeeze the trigger till me finger sprain. Tell them me a aim for them brain. Stay in them lane, love it cause pain. Kill people, put them body in a drain. Wildlife, make them brain take a trip gone overseas. Make them brain fly like a damn bees when squeeze up my gun. Boy, skin that half he bun. In all the bushes, them half it ton. But me still I run them down with my gun. Them half it dead, bullet that a fly through head. Carbine 15 infrared pan them head. Bust a dog, pan rapid. Boy, I fi drop when me clap this dog. Bullet take off like a rocket. Me no see nobody can stop it. Me no see nobody with no shield. Them half a kneel gunshot, them a feel. When they spin barrel dog, start to wheel. Yo, a wildlife. And a few time. Any boy run up, them a get carbine. Carbine, them a get carbine. Stop them like a stop sign.